Ulefone Tab A7 tablets adopt the metallic on the back which provide ultra-modern premium look and feel. Run the latest Android 11 OS, gives you more privacy and more security. With the smart split screen function, Ulefone Tab A7's large screen can be divided into dual window display. Octa core processor and 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM. Ulefone Tab A7 10-inch tablet is powered by the strong performance Octa core processor, which integrates 8 ARM Cortex-A55 cores to offer a faster and smoother performance. The AL acceleration function speeds up the frequently used apps. 4GB RAM enable you to quickly switch between multiple applications. 64GB internal storage make you save more videos, photos, songs, also support to expand a 128GB TF card. 10.1-inch FHD screen and 13MP dual camera and face unlock. Ulefone Tab A7 is equipped with a 10.1-inch Full HD IPS screen, the resolution is 1920x1200. Packed with a 13MP main camera on the back, you can capture the happy moments. 5MP front camera enables you to capture high-quality selfie, make a clear video call and swift face unlocking. 7680 mAh battery and smart keyboard. 7680 mAh long battery endurance enables you to freely play with pleasure. Also supports 10W fast charging. Ulefone Tab A7 is also equipped with a smart keyboard, but not included in the package, please purchase it separately. Dual speakers and dual 4G dual box speakers of Ulefone Tab A7 can deliver high-quality, clear surround sound. Whether you're re-listening to music, watching movies or playing games, definitely enjoy it. Supports to insert 2 nano SIM card, dual SIM dual standby, dual 4 grams volt.